Anyway, some boy ramp with bad man, you know. And want to ask you a favor. Go on now.
Hey, my youth. Some boy them dip on the corner and thing and the boy them sell some things and thing and I go on and I say, oh, them don't want to give me my money and thing and every corner my corner and I want my money and thing, you know. I know sweat I got go, you know. I want to deal with the case proper. You know, see it.
Alright, let me explain.
Para de entrar, cara, eu tô olhando aqui no corredor. Não sai com essa gaiola. Hello, miss. I wish to make a complaint. What do you mean? Sorry, I was wrong. But I want to make a complaint. Never mind, madam. I want to complain about this current fadado.
Oh yes, take away the broom. Hey, what's with white rat?
What's wrong with it? I'm still listening. It's that.
Who is the rest?
Look, mate, I want that Parrot on. And this one is that right now.
No, he's not that. He's Rooster, and happy Rooster, beautiful Rooster.
Literalmente não é inteligente, né? It's not that.
No, he's Rooster.
Every time waking up. Polly! Wake up, Polly! I got a little bit fish for you when you wake up.
Jerry, look.
No, he didn't. It was you who did the fish.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Look, mate. Polly! Wake up, Polly! It's a 9 o'clock alarm call. Polly! Wake up! That's not my call.
Who is Parrot?
Son?
You stand with me. Just I was awake. No way is to raise.
Look, mate, I am this engraçado, not allowed. You offended me, but it's not allowed to movement. But for a great time, I found no session of sexual relations.
Well, he is providing love for the kids.
For the fields? What kind of sex is that? And why did he fall back on his back when I got home?
To drag bro, perfect grip on the back and make it love information.
And I discovered that the sun was about to be sitting on this bench, but I thought it was being nailed.
I hate negativity they did do. It would have included up to truth. And who?
Look, mate, that was not boom. Everything was fought with both slowly. It's sleeping the mind.
No sleep.
He's not sleeping. He passed along. That Parrot is no more. He has ceased to be. His body was meant to maker. If the stiff belt of life, and he has been fixed. If you had not let him down in his flesh, he would be pushing up the daisies. His metabolic system is no more. His champion of his mortal coil, hunter, birthday, joined the bleeding shore invisible. This is an ex-Parrot.
That's a impressive day. I have and I looked the back of the shop when we heard words of Parrot.
I see.
I thought I would.
Great. Do sit down.
Not you. No.
Well, let's talk about the replacement then.
Look, if you go to my dog pet shop in Jaboatão, he will replace the Parrot for you.
What? No, man. Very well. Sorry, this is Jaboatão.
No, it's a magic.
Oh, that's good. Public transport for you. Hello, I have with the bad person. I'd like to make a complaint.
I don't have to do this job, you know.
I beg your pardon?
I watering and drying, suja. I only did this June because I like buying my own voice. Yeah, will it not? Yes, you are in a room. No, this is a pattern.
The pet shop is being what the pet shop brought that big line.
Kids brand Brazilian, high for chat.
I better go back to the shop. Well, I understand this decision, Botão.
Yes.
But you said it was Camarajiro.
It was a No, it's not a plan. We expect the text instead tem some different words, I suppose.
Appena não. Você pode chamar de velho. Deve ter um outro.
Well, what do you want?
Well, I don't know. I want to ready to continue my legal character. I have to see it.
Quite agree. Silly. Right, get on with it. Get on.